Assalamualaikum. Date 26th of April 2020, class 7th, subject General English, topic questions of lesson number 2 LD. Dear students, as you know, we answered 4 questions of this lesson yesterday. Today we are going to answer more questions of this lesson. Question number 5 is, what are the features of Lal Ded's poetry? Question number 5 is, Lal Ded's poetry kam khusisiyat is. Tim kus nesiyat कर tim से कुछ सबक लो बस. Its answer is Lal Ded's poetry is the treasure of wisdom. Lal Ded's poetry shows khazan danai hund khazan. It inspires the unity im kya heshno as etihad and harmony be amun between various religion and races and is an emblem of humanism and treasure of wisdom, love and truth. यानी लाल देद पोएट्री खजान दानई हुंद एम हेचनो इकाई यूनिटी यानी अकुई इतिहाद हेचनो हारमोनी अमन हेचनो वारियान मजहबन दरमियान वारियान नस्लन दरमियान बेस यह तमुक सूरत खजान अमनुक एंड emblem of humanism बेस इंसानियत हेचनावान एंड सूरत कमिच इंसानियत यह पोएट्री एंड ट्रेजर ऑफ विजडम बेस खजान दानई हुंद मोहब्बतुक एंड ट्रुथ बे सच्चाई हुंद. Question number 6 is, who came under her influence? Who came under her influence? यानी एम सिंस सत कुस गो मुतासर एम सत कुस गया मुतासर यह पोर लेसन मज पोर वली कामिल यस नाव शेख नूरुद्दीन वली. शेख नूरुद्दीन यानी बुजुर्ग शेख नूरुद्दीन वली रहमतुल्लाह अलैह came under her influence, came under her influence. So go tasin se mutazir emsin poetry se kemsin poetry mos insaniat os harmony os yani peace os temsin se kos emsin poetry se got mutazir. What question number 7 pat who translated her poetry into English? Who translated her poetry in English? Tas's poetry, as we have already discussed in the lesson, Tas's poetry, Kim said, Kim translation, Kim ko tabdil mukhtalif zabain maz. Badlo Kim se mukhtalif zabain. The greatest scholars like Kuskusos him to Akos Richard Temple, Jalal Cole, Coleman Borges, Coleman Borges, another scholar. J.C. Odin, and Niraja Muthu, Niraja Muthu. Translated. Her poetry into English. यानी कुछ स्कॉलर्स यमो अमि पोएट्री कोर इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेशन. The scholars who translated her poetry were Richard Temple, Jalal Cole, Coleman Borges, J.C. Odin, and Niraja Muthu. Translated her poetry into English. We use question number 7. Inshallah, tomorrow we will solve it as fill in the blanks and grammar work. आज भी होती इंशाल्लाह सुबह